have this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Inside you'll find rear-view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, CarNet satellite communications, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 first aid kit, real-time traffic, cargo area light. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.